What's good, y'all? It's the Storm Runners. We back with my boys, Roland and Dwayne. We're about to do another reaction video. This one is called Scared Dog Never Wagged Her Tail Until She Met Her Foster Dad. This one is very touching, man. It's very sad. It's only 4 minutes long, but trust me, it will. Especially if you have an animal, it's gonna hit the home. So let me know what y'all think about it, man. Roland, brace yourself.
Had those big, loving cartoon eyes that just say, "Help me." I scooped her up and I put her in a crate and took her
she's
home.
shaking like that,
we
man.
just went and sat in the garage, and that just violent shaking.
I wonder what causes that shit, son. That
Myself
like
and a team in the whole rescue community came together, and we all went in and we worked to clear out the entire shelter.
If they scared, if they cold, all that make them shiver.
Look, bro.
Mentally, she just shut down, and for days, she just couldn't even function. What I thought would be a couple of weeks,
like she didn't even know what a house was.
A couple more weeks, and then months and months on end. Everything was a first.
And like she, like she's building up to a big cry. Like
she never felt grass before, so when she's putting her little paws on,
nigga, she was fucking scared of grass. Nigga, she was scared of the sun.
Sunlight scares her. Everything scared her. If you would look at her or make eye contact, she would run. She was an escape artist. And she would sometimes hide under the table or sit in the corner for days. The only time she'd come out is when I'd take her out to the bathroom.
Okay, so after we go to the bathroom. Okay, everybody in. And Blossom just takes off.
Poor baby.
Straight to her hiding spot.
Blossom, her name is cute. Look at her. Oh, she peeking.
Get out of that hiding spot. I just moved the entire table. I just built her a little bedroom. Once that base was built, we started seeing a lot of firsts.
Oh, that's cute.
So we are hand feeding Blossom just to kind of build some trust.
I'd cook all of her meals.
So what would you Google that?
Get her to eat, and it's the only way I could add enough moisture because she wouldn't drink out of a water bowl.
For real,
she didn't know how.
She saw Zoe drinking, and she just went up there and drank water.
I see a picture of a person in his tent.
Just happened. Good girl, Blossom. Good girl.
You're like, okay.
Oh, sorry. That was the first time I've ever seen her drink water. It's been 6 weeks now. Ah, that feels so good.
6 weeks, but you gotta be patient, boy.
And the other dog like, bitch, you ain't gonna drink this water? Huh, I got you. I'm gonna show you.
Get some of that. You ain't gonna finish that?
Let me get some of that.
See him in dog voice.
Be
cool. You read that?
Out of nowhere, she jumped up on the couch to sit next to me.
She ain't shaking no more.
Take a look.
At all.
As you can tell, like,
thank you, cool.
Super weird about it as soon as the camera turns on.
It's just crazy how dogs know,
no,
bitch. Like,
stay.
She's
She's up here. Stay. It's okay.
crazy.
Relax. You're a good girl.
As other rescue dogs came into the house, she would start to greet them. She was happy to meet him.
Look at her, she's sniffing like, all right, you smell good.
All
right,
of a sudden,
you seem like
she just starts running around and wagging her tail. It's one of the happiest moments of my life, and absolutely because
just a 3-4 minute video, damn dog,
and she wagged her tail for the first time.
She like she is like, look at her.
Made all of the difference. The 3-month journey worth it.
How much happier she is. Fuck.
Dodo like, man, this bitch.
Am I doing it right?
Like, where the fuck am I going? I don't know where I'm going.
Look at that tail wagging.
I don't know where I'm going. But
Good girl.
Oh look! Oh.
Yes.
Oh, this is
Little Blossom.
amazing.
And the other dog's like, I'm so glad her anti-social ass. Like, girl, it's been a long time coming.
What's the conversation with it?
Yeah, like, so Blossom. So, how's it going?
But that shit really, that shit really hits the home if you got a pet of your own, bro. For real. Like,
yes,
you know what I'm saying? To be like that.
It makes me. I'm gonna hug my dog exactly after this video is done. It's like immediately after this video is done.
Yes, that was that was touching. Fuck. What y'all thought about it?
Yeah, that was a nice little video. Good thing he doing for those animals, man. Rescuing.
Yeah, it is, bro. I don't even know if he like works for a company or if that's just like a random person. I don't even know, son. But I was just like, damn, let me show the fellas this shit. See what they think about it.
Anybody that have love and compassion for animals is always win for me. Especially not the overprotective one, like the PETA people. Let the people have their little fashion first, you know?
Right. Yeah. Well, all right, y'all. That was it for that video. So y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe.